Hi, welcome to the practice questions on being able to use the nth term to find a number in a sequence. What I'd like you to do now is to pause the video and have a go at these two example questions, and then when you're happy with your answers, then restart the video and go through the model answers. So pause the video now and have a go at questions 1 and 2. Hi, welcome back. Let's go through these two answers then. Question 1 then. We've got to find the 50th term and the 100th term in the following sequence. Now this is what's known as a position to term rule. We're not looking at basically doing add 10, add 10, add 10 and keeping on adding 10 until you get to the 50th one or the 100th one. I have seen that done. We're not going to do that. What we need to do is we need to use our nth term. So if I number these terms as the first term, the second term, the third term and the fourth term. What I could now do is work out my nth term. So I write down nth, and that's going to equal whatever this is going up in. Now this is going up in tens. You're adding on 10 each time. So what we do is we start off when we write that 10 next to n. Then what we need to do is we need to go back one term to what it would have been at the 0 term. Well, if you're adding 10 going upwards, you must be taking away 10 going backwards. So if you take away 10 from 8, you're left with negative 2, which is the 0 term. And that's what we write on the end of our nth term formula. So our nth term is 10n minus 2. Now all this is saying is this here is a formula that when you know the term number, you can put it into our formula and it will work out the sequence number. Let's try it in one that we've already got. So let's have a look. The third term is 28. So if I replace n with 3, the term number, let's see if I get the correct answer. 10 times 3 is 30. Take away 2 gives me 28. Replace the n with 4. 10 times 4 is 40, take away 2 gives me 38. So now I can use this to find my 50th term and my 100th term. So the 50th term, all I'm doing is I'm replacing n in my formula with 50. 10 times 50 is 500, take away 2 gives me the answer 498. And then do the same with the 100th term. So this time, replace n in the formula with 100. 10 times 100 is 1,000. Take away 2 gives me 998. Question 2 then. Now this time, our sequence is going down in size each time. If you have a look, we're taking 4 away each time. Take 4 away. 1 take away 4 gives me negative 3. We're taking 4 away each time. So my nth term this time becomes negative 4n. And then again go back to what it would have been at the 0 term. I haven't numbered these. 1, 2, 3, 4. I should have done. Go back to the 0 term, and if I'm taking away 4 going this way, I must be adding 4 going this way. So that takes me to 13, which is what I add on because it's a positive. So my nth term becomes negative 4n plus 13. Now all that's left to do is write in the terms that I need to find, the 30th term. So the 30th term, minus 4 times 30 is negative 120. Negative 120 add 13 takes me to negative 107. And the second one, the 50th term. So let's work out the 50th term for this one. Replace n with 50. So minus 4 times 50 is minus 200. Add 13 takes me to minus 187.